Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the orientation or page size in a specific page inside your Word document. So this is my Word document. So here I have 5 pages. So at the middle I want to change the orientation of the page because there is one flow chart that will not be occupied in portrait or any other portrait size or any other page. So that's why I have to change. So let me show you how I did it. Actually, let me go my original file. So this is my original file. Here you see all pages are in portrait mode. Okay, so if I want to change the size of this page, then if I go to layout and change the orientation from portrait to landscape, see all of my page becomes landscape, but this is not what I wanted. Okay, so how I will need to do it, how I will do it. So for this I have to break my first 2 pages and last 2 pages from this chart page. So same way what I did my earlier video for changing the page number, same way I will do it. So this page and this page I will break. So for this let me first start the paragraph option. Here I see there is nothing. So here I will put one section break. I will go to layout and go to the breaks and click the section break. Okay. Now this part, this page and this page became separate from this page. Okay. So I also need to change the section, also need to separate the section from this page to down the page. So for this again I will simply click at the top of the sentence of my third page, and again I will go to the layout option and click section break. Okay, now see this page is broken from this page. Also this page broken from the above 2 pages. Okay, means now my Word document has 3 sections. Each section is independent to other section. So now if I click in my third page and go to the layout option and change the orientation, see only this page has been changed. Or okay, if I want to change other size, let's say legal size, see only this page change, nothing happened in other pages. Okay. Now as per your chart or your table you can adjust the size. Okay, so if I change the size into A4 to legal, see how the page becomes large. Okay, I can enlarge the chart as much as I possible. Now So now I have done my work, and I will again put out the paragraph option. See, now my document looks nice. So hope this video will help you. If you are our new friends, please subscribe our channel to get such important topics on many professional tools like Excel, Word, Microsoft Project, and PDF. So thank you for today.